Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix yellow screen display in Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and, of course, display settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Display A. Few different options may pop up, like those related to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but ignore those for now. We're focusing on display settings. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Display. Within the display settings, look for an option called Eye Comfort Shield. This feature reduces blue light to make the screen easier on your eyes, especially at night, but it can also give your display a yellow tint. If it's turned on, tap it and switch it off. For some users, this immediately resolves the yellow tint issue. However, if turning it off doesn't fix the problem, don't worry. There's still one more step we can try. Step 5. Now, go back to the main settings menu and scroll all the way down until you see an option called General Management. Tap on it to open a new list of system-level options. Step 6. Now tap on the Reset option and tap on Reset All Settings options. Inside General Management, find and tap on the Reset option. Here, you'll see several reset options. Choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry. This won't delete your personal data, like photos or messages. It will only reset your settings, like Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and display settings, back to default. Step 7. For the last and most important step, tap Reset Settings. You may be asked to enter your password or PIN to confirm. Once that's done, tap Reset one last time. Your phone will restart, and once it powers back on, your display should be back to its normal, natural tone. No more annoying yellow tint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.